Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can help us achieve personal success, from improving our productivity to enhancing our creativity. AI has the potential to unlock new levels of achievement. In this video, we'll explore how you can harness the power of AI for personal success. One of the ways that AI can help us achieve personal success is by improving our productivity. With AI-powered tools and technologies, we can automate routine tasks and free up more time for creative and strategic thinking. For example, we can use AI-powered virtual assistants to manage our schedules and emails, leaving us more time to focus on our goals. Another way that AI can help us achieve personal success is by enhancing our creativity. With AI-powered tools and technologies, we can generate new ideas and insights that would have been difficult or impossible to come up with on our own. For example, we can use AI-powered design tools to create stunning graphics and visualizations. AI can also help us make better decisions. With AI-powered analytics and prediction tools, we can analyze data and make informed decisions based on facts and evidence. This can help us avoid costly mistakes and achieve our goals faster. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool that can help us achieve personal success. By harnessing its power to improve our productivity, enhance our creativity, and make better decisions, we can unlock new levels of achievement. So don't be afraid to embrace the power of AI. The future is bright. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI technology, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more future content.